birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sa lahat tayo, Johnny Kids, kanta tayo ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yung isang pinakamalakas at pinakamasayang happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, dahil sa 6th birthday ni Kuya Joaquin, clap tayo ng 6 na clap, then shout tayo ng pinakamalakas na happy birthday. Ready? Clap tayo ng 6 times. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Happy birthday, Joaquin!
Alright, Kuya Joaquin, what is your birthday wish?
Ay, Kuya, bigyan mo yung mic.
Madami kami mabait at mga Pilipino.
Wow!
Alright.
Quality ko
Dahil
ito.
lang dyan, syempre pakinggan din natin yung birthday wish ni Mami sa ni Daddy. Ayan, si Daddy na lang daw.
Maging good boy lang siya. Mag-eat ka na ng rice.
Ako din.
Alright, maging good boy lang daw. Syempre, pakinggan din natin yung birthday wish ni Ma'am. Na lagi niyang kasama.
Oo nga. Actually, mabait na po si Joaquin. Nagpa-follow siya. At saka, matalino po. Ang wish ko lang po talaga, sana magtuloy-tuloy yung pagiging mabait na bata ni Joaquin. Salamat!
Thank you.
Alright, kaya naman, sabay-sabay natin i-clap ng 6 clap si Joaquin bago niya i-blow yung candle niya. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Baby Joaquin, blow your candle.
Happy birthday, Joaquin!
Ayan, palakpakan natin si Baby Joaquin. Ayan.